Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something really exciting to share with you. Ever wondered what happens when you make 4 simple cuts in a cardboard box? Well, get ready to find out because today we're diving into something incredible. You'll need just 2 things for this experiment: a cardboard box like this one and a trusty pair of scissors. So grab yours and let's get started. First up, take one of the shorter sides of the box and make a cut right in the middle, all the way up to the cardboard, like so. Now watch closely as we transform this single piece into 2 separate ones. Next, flip the box over and repeat the process on the other side. Simple, right? Now let's turn it around completely. If your box isn't fully open yet, don't worry. Just make these additional cuts on both short sides, just like this. Once you've completed that, your box should look something like this. Now, fold the 2 short sides on the back, followed by the 2 long sides. And now, for the grand finale. Check this out. With just these 4 simple cuts and a little bit of folding, we've completely transformed the shape of the box from landscape to lengthwise. How cool is that? So imagine you have something bulky, or like this LED rechargeable light that won't fit in the box. No problem. Just cut down the box to size and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content.